I'm an insurance agent. If I couldn't get to my clients because of something wrong with my car, my business would shut down. Now that I have a plan through CarShield, I don't worry about breakdowns.
CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company. With the price lock guarantee, your monthly rate never goes up for as long as you cover your car.
When I called CarShield, I wasn't aware that up to 5,000 parts were covered. 5,000 parts. 90 days after I got the plan, I had the trunk go out. CarShield helped me save over $1,200. I didn't even know that my trunk motor was covered. CarShield administrators covered it. Who does that?
Call CarShield before your car breaks down.
If you love something, you'll protect it. That's why I called CarShield.
Call CarShield to save money with your price lock guarantee. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.